All right, so with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at the concluding examples here. The check it out example here in number 1, tell whether the lines appear parallel, perpendicular, or skew. And they're asking about WX and ZY here. Now, WX and ZY are parallel. And maybe that's hard to see based on the ideas I've used earlier, but let me explain why. Because a lot of you are looking at this question saying, okay, WX is on the left side here, ZY is on the right side. Those don't have anything to do with each other. Well, you're right, they don't. The problem is WX and ZY happen to be in the same plane going left to right here. Notice these are both the top pieces of the fence. So if I look at the plane going this way, going across from left to right, they are in the same plane. And that's how they end up being parallel here. If I was looking at this bottom rail here, this doesn't have a letter labeled down here that I can see, but if I was looking at this bottom rail here and comparing it to this top rail here, you'd be absolutely right to say skew. All right, because they would be in the left piece and the right piece, or the top slice and the bottom slice, however you want to match it up. They would never have anything to do with each other. But these are both happen to be in the top slice of the illustration here. So that's the idea of parallel. They have the same slope, the same amount of tilt, whatever you want to call it. That's parallel. All right, number 2. Line N is parallel to line P, and we're supposed to find the measure of angle 4. All right, well, to find the measure of angle 4, a couple different ways I can do it, but I'm just going to put these two guys together. These two guys right there together make a line. If I cover up all this other stuff and ignore that line that's jutting to the north there, all right, those two guys together are adjacent angles that happen to be supplementary because together, again, they're forming a line. So they have to make 180 degrees. Well, they're telling me, looking over here at the one on the left, that this piece is 45 degrees. So I'm figuring out how many more degrees I need to get up to 180. Well, of course, I need 135 degrees more because 135 plus 45 is how I get to 180. So angle 4 must be 135 degrees.